I will just go ahead and put the order out. 401.67. We are buying the dip. That is our strategy. We are ready to trade it. Let's see if we get filled. Trying. Ooh. I just thought we do need to make sure that this candle doesn't close below the 45 RSI as well. If it does, I'll just exit. But we are in at 401.67. Immediately up 20 cents, but obviously doesn't mean anything yet. We're looking to sell up towards the green line, which represents the highest point of the last 5 bars. So here we go. Bought the dip. SPY got a strong open this morning. SPY was really strong yesterday. Unfortunately, I missed a lot of trade opportunities yesterday because I had guests over. Did end up taking 3 trades. Was a break-even day. It was small red. I lost $9 yesterday. But this morning, we got Flipper. Thank you for the follow. This morning, we got GDP news, or GDP numbers were announced, and it was negative again. So that is now 2 quarters of negative GDP. That meets the old definition of a recession. Mitch, thank you for the follow. So it's very surprising that SPY is so strong. It's got back-to-back negative GDPs, yet, you know, we got a strong open. So it's interesting, but once again, SPY is still in this daily micro uptrend. So I'm still looking to buy dips. And here we go. We were up 20 bucks there at highs, but getting a little bit of a pullback now. So here we go. Hey mate, how's your day? Good fella. How's your day? Okay, we're now red. Yeah, we got a nice immediate bounce, but not enough follow through, unfortunately. Stop loss is RSI below 40. So keep an eye on that as well. We did buy this. The RSI was at about 50, so it's really not a lot of downside risk in this trade, to be fair. RSI is already low on this buy. The recession is over, I know. we had a 5-minute recession. When this news was announced, the markets dipped pretty hard for about 5 minutes, then immediately turned around. Daily MACD is going through the 0. MACD from the underside, you mean? From under 0 to above 0? Is that what you mean? Or the other direction investing? I would assume you mean under to above, considering... Well, you have to, because we're going up. You have to mean from under to above. Never mind. It's kind of a dumb question. It's kind of a dumb question. Alright, we're getting a little bit of a bottoming wick in this, but still down in the trade, obviously. Not a lot of fight back yet. But we don't panic. We know where we're supposed to get out. Take the trades, get out where we're supposed to. We were up a little bit, but it was really nowhere close to where we were supposed to get out. So it's not like I could have taken it. I was not supposed to take that green there. If we were like up like really close to the green, like if we would have got like up to here, 402.6, I might have exited a little early, like right into the green line, into this resistance. But this bounce, I'm not supposed to take that. Not even close to supposed to take that. There you go. Okay. Maybe this negative GDP is now kicking in. SPY showing a lot of weakness now. SPY showing a lot of weakness now. We'll see. Trying to trade the open right after major news, I guess is difficult, but no panic. In where you're supposed to, out where you're supposed to. Watching the 40 RSI. We're currently at 41. If this candle closes under the 40 RSI, we get stopped out. Welcome to trading. In supposed to, out supposed to. We're almost back. I have this highlighted because I wanted to know the price from where the news was announced. We're searching to go back red since the GDP news was announced, which makes sense. That does make... I was very surprised when we rallied after announcing a second negative GDP. We're coming back towards it now. But I don't mind that I bought this dip. I really don't. It's supposed to. SPY is in a micro uptrend, and it met the strategy. Now that you look at it, you know, everybody, now that it's red, it's easy to go, it's easy to, after you lose money, go like, oh, well, obviously the GDP, so you shouldn't have taken the trade, la 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 la. Yes, it's very easy to analyze after a trade, but you gotta take the positions like you're supposed to according to the strategy, right? Was that called a bull trap? Yeah, I would say so. I mean, bull trap is kind of a subjective, like, it's kind of up to your own definition, but I would say so, sure. And you got a strong up move out of bad news, and now it's catching back up to that, to the bear side. Yeah, would call that a bull trap. Meta cut funding for something? Oh, was Meta hard down coming too? Did they just get bad news? Well, they had bad earnings yesterday. Meta had really bad earnings yesterday. Didn't know if they announced more bad news. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out. That's a big red trade. It's unfortunate. It's our biggest red trade we've taken in like a month, I think. That is unfortunate, but hey, it's the way she goes sometimes. In where you're supposed to, out where you're supposed to. Didn't work this time. We are now back red from where we announced the GDP numbers. Interesting. Okay. Now we see how the rest of the day goes, don't we? Damn. That decided it was going to accelerate, didn't it? That said, all right, we're up, we're strong, we're uptrending. Fucking psych. Hey, boys, have a stop loss. Hey, chat, sometimes you're going to take a trade and it's not going to go like you think it should. Please, for the love of God, have a stop loss. I'm down another 1.5 now if I didn't stop out where I was. I only lost 1.5 in this trade. If I don't have a stop loss, I'm now down an extra 100% from where I should have gotten out. Please don't think that you're a genius and that all your trades are going to work. Sometimes you're going to lose. Sometimes you're going to lose 83 bucks in a trade. Don't let that turn into 160 bucks. And now you're panic selling down here. And now you're panic selling down here. You're going to take losing trades. You have to know that if you're ever going to make it trading. You have to be able to respect that and understand that and be able to get out, because holy, it's just getting worse. It's just getting worse. You're now panic selling here if you didn't stop out where you're supposed to. Sometimes shit doesn't go the way you think it is. 65% win rate. What does that mean, chat? That means 45% of the time I lose money. That's a little bit better than a coin flip. Wait, no, 35%. I can't do math. But still, it's a little bit better than a coin flip. Like, you gotta know that, understand that, and be able to respect that, or holy shit. Or holy shit. Cutting the loss is the hardest part of trading. I know, that's why I'm preaching this, because, yeah, I lost $83. Haha, streamer lost money. What an idiot. I get it. I always get laughed at when I lose money. I understand. But but you're going to lose money. You have to be comfortable with that. You have to know that. You have to respect that. Or you'll never make money over time. Which, once again, what matters? Make money over time. Not make money in every trade you take. You're never going to make money in every trade you take. It's never going to happen. I hate to tell you, it doesn't exist.